My video guide is about getting rid of the new ransomware type threat that currently attacks many Windows computers. The ransomware is called Midas. This video is the demonstration of what exactly the ransomware does. And of course, I really wish that you will never experience such problems. Now, the ransomware affects the majority of file types. Before the ransomware attack, people are able to open their files without any complications. They can open pictures, music, Microsoft Office files, and other documentation easily. However, it might sometimes happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the security system, this Midas ransomware, as well as some other ransomware type threats, may be injected into the system. So pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their files anymore. As I said, for some period of time people may still open some files, but at the lapse of some time they will not be able to open their documents. And this is the scary message that is given by this Midas ransomware. It says all your files are encrypted and cannot be recovered. The ransomware tells its victims to pay the special ransom for the file restoration. However, paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be restored, so please do not ever pay the ransom. Now, what we recommend you to do is to immediately undertake the measures to at least temporarily save some files. Go to the task manager, look for suspicious processes that could be related to this ransomware. Typically, these are processes with long random names. So if you find them, and their task to stop the further file encryption. To remove this ransomware, I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner, and you may get it through Internet Explorer because other browsers and their desktop icons may be also encrypted. So go to Internet Explorer, start Combo Cleaner or download Combo Cleaner first of all through the official website combocleaner.com. Download the software, install the application, and then you might need to implement some tricks again to start the program. Go to Program Files, choose Combo Cleaner folder, and start Combo Cleaner directly through this location. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and delete this ransomware and protect your data from being damaged in the future. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.